Hi friends, welcome to Lizbee kitchen. Today we are going to make a beautiful and addictively delicious wheat dosa with a variety twist. These are sure to fulfill your cravings for breakfast or dinner. The specialty is you can have this special dosa even without chutney or any other curry. So please go through the entire video, subscribe our channel. To get notification, click the bell icon. So let us see how to make this special dosa. For making wheat dosa, we have 1 cup of wheat flour. You can use any brand of flour. We require water, ghee or oil as you wish and salt. The special ingredient, as I said earlier, is egg. Even if it is 1 or 2 cup of flour, 1 egg is enough. Now I am going to show you how to make batter. Here I am going for an easy method. I am using a blender to make dosa batter. You can also make batter in a bowl. Add flour in a blender. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 cup of water. Add egg. The measurement of water is varied according to the flour which one you used. Now blend well. Blend enough to break up all lumps. Make sure the batter is dosa consistency. Heat a tawa. Here I am using a dosa tawa. Ensure the pan is hot enough before pouring the batter and cook dosa on a medium-low flame. If you are using tawa with non-stick coating, you won't grease the tawa with oil or grease. Otherwise, you apply some oil. When the tawa is hot, pour batter and spread in a circular pattern. Add little oil or ghee towards the edges and on dosa as well. The base of dosa begin to turn golden and edges will leave the pan. Flip the dosa. Now dosa is ready. These tasty wheat dosas are made for a fast and light breakfast or dinner.